Hello, my name is Bob McCoy, and I am the LWW 80 Network Moderator. Today, I want to show you how to develop a simple business plan that will hopefully increase your water production, assuming you have the capacity. Capacity is key because there are some OPs that only capture by rainfall, so their capacity is limited. First, there are two parts to the business plan: income and expenses. Expenses are how much money you will need to run your system each month. I generally tell OPs that they will need to save about $500 each year or $50 each month to cover expenses. What are your expenses? These include operator salaries, filters, broken pumps, or other equipment that may fail, fuel for the Delco, and anything that you have to pay out to run your water purification system. If you deliver water, your expenses include fuel and cost of delivery vehicle and labor. Are 5-gallon plastic bottles expenses? No, but you should never give a bottle away unless you know the family is so poor there is no other option. Bottles cost about $5, and you should sell them for $6 because you had to pay someone to get them and pay for the fuel to get it there and back. Remember, there is no free lunch. Expenses are the easy part of the plan. Income is harder to define, but it is critical that it be defined and collected and properly accounted for by the Water Committee Treasurer. First, ask yourself, how many people are in your community? Let's say 2,000. What percent of these people do you think will participate in purchasing water from you? Remember, there are other water vendors out there. Let's say you can get 10% or 200 of the people to purchase your water. If you can charge 25 good per bottle and they buy one bottle per week, that is 20,000 good per month. Let's say you have a school also. Do the children need pure water? Of course they do. Now, let's say you have 400 children in the school, and as part of the school fee, you charge 10 good per week for pure water. In 1 month, this amounts to 16,000 good. So now you have a possible income stream of 36,000 good per month, or about $300 US. One of the most underutilized income streams is delivery. 5 gallons of water weighs 40 pounds, and while I have seen many Haitians carry buckets or bottles on their heads, if you had the choice of carrying water a mile or someone delivering it to you for a small fee, which would you take? The small fee will win out at least 80% of the time. You do not have to own a delivery vehicle to deliver water. There are hundreds of tap-taps in Haiti that would love to work out a deal with you, especially if you can get consistent clients week after week. Have you thought of delivering to businesses? One of our systems delivers to Foncosi Bank. Let's say you can get 10,000 good per month for deliveries. That's a total income stream of 40,000 good per month, or $390 each month. This amounts to $4,680 US each year. After expenses, you can easily clear $2,500 US per year. What could your church or school do with $2,500? It all begins with this simple piece of paper. So planning and a little dreaming and a lot of work going out and finding your clients will get you there. Pay a salesperson commission to find your clients. Pay them a few good for every bottle delivered to your clients and watch your sales soar. Now, what's stopping you?